First things first, we gotta go fill up. Okay, we got some gas. We're halfway. Hopefully you can hear me okay, but man, this thing is a little scary to drive, not gonna lie. But we got a little 10-minute drive to Maaco, so see if we can make it there and see what they say. America's best body shop, huh? See about that?
Alright guys, we just showed up to Maaco, so we're going to go inside, we're going to get an estimate. So I'll touch back with you guys and see how much the damage is going to be to get this thing painted.
Okay, you guys can pause it here if you want to check out this whole estimate. But here's the number that I got quoted from Maaco for a full paint job, urethane, 3-year prorated warranty, $1,100. So they're gonna do a whole paint job on this thing, came that to $1,100, and I'll update you guys when I get this thing back. It's gonna be in the same video. Sit tight, watch this ad, and we'll get back with the results on the Maaco paint job on a BMW E30, and I'll give you guys my opinion. So see you guys in a minute. Right here, I don't know if you can see it that well, there's a dent right here and a dent right here, and you can obviously see this dent, it's super big right here. So they're gonna fix those 3. Alright guys, it's about a week or so later, and E30 is back from the paint. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It's long time anticipated. I'm super excited to show you guys this results. You guys are about ready to see if this Maaco paint job is cool or drool. Yeah. Good or bad? Alright, let's check it out. That's the Maaco review on it. Wanted to bring out a couple things for you guys just so you know exactly what to expect if you're going to bring your car to Maaco. Again, everyone's different. Every body shop, Maaco body shop is different, run differently. Some do the cheapest paint job, $800. Some do, you know, the cheapest one they do is $1,500. So you'll have to call your local Maaco and see what they do. But I wanted to run some things down with you guys and show you kind of a couple of these things. To start off, there's 2 dents. There's one dent that you can still kind of see where they pulled out. With this Maaco paint job, I'm not expecting perfection, but I do want to show you guys everything that didn't come out just right. So there's a dent in the front right here that they were supposed to pull, but they didn't. They charged me for it, so I'm gonna have to go back and get my money back for that dent. They didn't pull that dent like they said they were gonna. They didn't take the badge off the back like they said they were going to. I asked them to take the badge off the back, but they didn't, so that stinks. Orange peels, not too much orange peel. There's some orange peel. I don't know if you can see here. There's some orange peel around the car, but you know, like I said, you know, I'm not expecting perfection, but I do want to point these things out because again, this is a review of the Maaco paint job. You can see some overspray on some of the trimmings here in the moldings. You can see some overspray here where they taped off a little too high. The shine is pretty good. It shines nice. You know, it's bright. It's a nice non-metallic red. I had them paint my my door moldings on the side here. They were black. I had them paint them red. I think that was such a good move. That really really ties the whole thing together. It makes it look super clean because they do that on the M3 version of these cars, and I really liked how it looked. So I wanted to make it nice and clean. So that looks sweet. But all in all, I'm not super mad about it. You know, it's a little bit more expensive than I would like for the quality. This is probably like more in the range of $800-900 worth. You know, not so much $1,100-1,200. So. You know, it's up to you guys if you think this is something you want to do. It's a good thing to do to throw into your project car. You know, a nice fresh coat of paint. You don't have to worry about doing any of the work yourself. They're pretty quick. It's in and out within about a week. All in all, I think, you know, it's up to you guys if it's worth it. But for me, I'm pretty happy with it. You know, it shines up the car super nicely. It's not show car quality, but hey, it gets the job done. And that's my review. You know, I could go crazy wet sanding and buffing and trying to get all the imperfections out of the orange peel and whatnot. But I'm just not going to do that because we keep things simple around here. Alright, guys? So, it looks good. I'm excited about it. We got a couple more things to go on this BMW. We got the bumpers to paint, some headlights to restore, front grille to paint, and hopefully some new wheels get on pretty soon. So, thanks for tuning in for this one, guys. Leave a comment down below if I missed anything. If you have any questions about this paint job, I'll be sure to answer them in the comments like I always do. I see every one of your guys' comments. Help me hit 5K subs here. Subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Share my channel, and thanks for the support. Appreciate it, guys. All right, I'll see you in the next one.